Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to all of you. Since last 2 weeks, we were discussing about the chapter polynomial. Today we will start a new chapter wherein linear equation in two variables. First, we should know the meaning of an equation. What is meant by an equation? An equation is an algebraic expression which is the combination of constant and variables, but there is a difference between an equation and expression. See here, in our previous chapter, we have written so many equations like x squared plus x minus 6 and x cubed plus 5x squared plus 4 x plus 15 like this. So this is the equation, but here there is no an equal sign. If there is an equal sign, then we say that it is an equation. In polynomial or expression, we say the solution of an polynomial are called as the zeros of the polynomial. Whereas here, when we solve an equation, the answer that we get, those are called as roots of an equation. So there are different types of equation. For example, 5 plus 2 equal to 17, x plus 5 equal to 10. This one is equation. These are the various equations. So based on the degree, the equations are of different types. What is meant by degree? First, we should know the meaning of degree. Degree means the highest power of a variable is called as degree of polynomial or degree of an equation. Highest power exponent. See here, the highest power is 1. Here, the highest power is 1 and 1. In this equation, the highest power is 2. And in this equation, the highest power is 3. So, based on the degree, the equations are classified into various types like linear equation, say, second one, quadratic equation, and one more, cubic equation, and so on. Based on the degree, the equations are of different types. If an equation consists of first degree variable, then we say it is a linear equation. Linear means an equation involving the first degree variable is called a linear equation. Here 5x plus 2y. This is a linear equation. 5x plus 2y equal to 17 is a linear equation. X plus y equal to 10 is a linear equation. Here the power is 2. So we say that this is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Here the degree is 3. So we say it is a cubic equation. So if the degree is 1, then we say it is a linear equation. Now, our chapter is linear equation. Linear equation means an equation consists of first degree variable. Such equations are called as linear equation. Now, linear equation in two variables. If an equation consists of only one variable, for example, this one 5x plus 2 equal to 17. Here there is only one variable, x is there. So we say that this is a linear equation in for one variable. Whereas in second example, x plus 2y, or we can say 2x plus 5y equal to 17. So here two variables are there. If an equation involves or consists of two different variables, then we say that linear equation in two variables. If we write the same variable more than one time, then time also we say the linear equation in one variable. For example, 5x plus 7 minus 2x equal to 0. Here we have written x at two different times. 5x minus 2x. यहाँ पर भी हमने x लिखा है, यहाँ पर भी x लिखा है, लेकिन यहाँ पर दोनों वेरिएबल सेम है, जैसे हम वन वेरिएबल कहेंगे, वन वेरिएबल। यहाँ पर हमने x और y डिफरेंट वेरिएबल यूज किया है, इसे कहेंगे हम टू वेरिएबल. It is an equation in two variables. Here it is a linear equation in one variable. So any equation that can be written in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then only we say it is a linear equation in two variable. You have to remember, if any equation that is written in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then only we say it is a linear equation in two variables. So now we will start the chapter linear equation. Now we solve some examples. I hope all of you are clear the meaning of equation and linear equation in two variables. First, we should know the meaning of equation. An equation means equation is an algebraic expression combining with mathematical fundamental operations like subtraction, addition, multiplication, division, etc. with an equal sign. The solution of the equation obtained are called as roots of the equation. A linear equation has only one root. Whenever we solve a linear equation, we will get only one solution. And if an equation is of second degree, then we say that it is a quadratic equation. The quadratic equations have two roots. We will discuss about the quadratic equation in 10th standard. आपको 10th में चैप्टर है क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, वो आपको यहाँ पर डिस्कस करना है. यहाँ पर आपको लीनियर इक्वेशन है. 10th में भी एक चैप्टर है आपको पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल. यहाँ पर लीनियर इक्वेशन है वन लीनियर इक्वेशन. We write two linear equation. For example, solve x plus y equal to 10 and one more is x minus y is equal to 3 or 4, whatever may be there. So here two different equations are there. इस टाइप के इक्वेशन को हम कहेंगे पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन. पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स. ये आपको इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आपको 10th स्टैंडर्ड में है. यहाँ पर सिर्फ आपको सिंगल इक्वेशन के बारे में करना है जिसमें टू डिफरेंट वेरिएबल्स. और लीनियर इक्वेशन का स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म हमेशा ये रहेगा x plus by plus c equal to 0, where here x and y are the variables. whereas A, B, C, these are the any real numbers. A, B, C belongs to real numbers, but A and B not equal to 0. Here, A, B, C belongs to real numbers and A comma B not equal to 0. ये 0 नहीं हो सकते. अगर ये 0 हो जाएगा तो हमारा वेरिएबल ही आउट हो जाएगा. तब हमारा लीनियर इक्वेशन ही 2 वेरिएबल जाके 1 वेरिएबल हो जाएगा. इसलिए यहाँ पर 0 नहीं हो सकते. ये 0 हो सकता है पास में, लेकिन A और B 0 नहीं हो सकता. Is that clear? Now, all of you can see in your reader, example number 1, some linear equations are there. Write each of the following in the form of x plus b by plus c. आपको यहाँ पर कुछ linear equation दिए गए हैं, इस फॉर्म में आपको लिख के बताना है. Example number 1. Write each of the following equations in the form of write each of the following equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of values of a, b and c in each case. Now question number 1 is 2x plus 3y. Number 1, 2x plus 3y equal to 4.37. Question number 2 is x minus 4 equal to root 3y. X minus 4 equal to root 3y. And question number 3 is 2x equal y. And one more question is there. Sorry. This is the 4th one. 3rd one is 4 equal to 5x minus 3y. 4 equal to 5x minus 3y. And number 4 is 2x equal to y. These 4 different equations are given. यहाँ पर हमको इस फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करना है और a और b c का वैल्यू यहाँ पर बताना है. Solution. First we will write the given equation. Given 2x plus 3y equal to 4.37. 2x plus 3y. First ये number 1 equal के साइड लाएंगे. इस फॉर्म में बताना है हमको minus 4.37 equal to 0. It is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Therefore, here in place of a 2 is there and in place of b 3 is there and in place of c minus 4.37. So these are the values of a, b, c. Second example is also like this. Second one, solution given equation is x minus 4 equal to root 3y. Next, x. हमारे इक्वेशन में फर्स्ट x का टर्म रहेगा, उसके बाद y का टर्म रहेगा, बाद में कांस्टेंट रहेगा. तो फर्स्ट x का टर्म हमने लिख लिया है. नेक्स्ट लिखेंगे हम प्लस रूट 3y इक्वल के सेट आने पर minus root 3 pi. Then constant minus 4 equal to 0. It is in the form of, it is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a equal to, यहाँ पर x का कोएफिशिएंट कुछ भी नहीं रहा तो x का कोएफिशिएंट 1 रहेगा, a equal to 1, b equal to minus root 3 and c equal to minus 4. So this is the solution. थर्ड और फोर्थ आप ट्राई करें. नंबर 3 ट्राई करें आप लोग, आ जाएगा, इजी है. Clear. Solution. Number 3, given 4 equal to 5x minus 3y. 4x equal to 5x minus 3y. 0 equal to 5x minus 3y plus 4 equal to minus 4. Or we can write this equation like this: 5x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. It is in the form of, it is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Therefore, a equal to, in place of a 5 is there, in place of b minus b is there, and in place of c minus 2. This is our solution. Next, fourth example is number 4, solution. Solution of fourth one. Given 2x equal to y. 2x plus y इक्वल के सेट आने पर माइनस y. हमारा इक्वेशन हमेशा इस फॉर्म में रहना है, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. यहाँ पर कोई कांस्टेंट टर्म गिवन नहीं है, so in place of constant term we will take 0. हमको ये फॉर्म में बताना है, इसलिए कंपलसरी हम 2 वेरिएबल्स एंड वन ऑफ द कांस्टेंट बताएंगे. So 2x plus 1 become minus 5 plus 0 equal to 0. It is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Therefore, value of a is 2, value of b is minus 1. Value of b is minus 1. Coefficient कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा तो 1 रहेगा, and value of c is 0. Next, now we will go for second example. Next. Now, example number 2. Example number 2. Write each of the following as an equation. Write each of the following. Write each of the following as an equation. As an equation in 2 variables. In 2 variables. Number one is x equal minus 5. Second one, y equal to. Third one, 2x equal 3. 2x equal 3. Fourth one, 5y equal to 2. Here, different examples are given in one variable. लेकिन यहाँ पर हमको टू डिफरेंट वेरिएबल फॉर्म में बताना डिफरेंट सॉल्यूशंस वन x इक्वल टू -5 हमको इसको टू डिफरेंट वेरिएबल फॉर्म में बताना है so here we can write this equation like this x यहाँ पर सेकंड वेरिएबल y गिवन नहीं है उसे लिखेंगे हम 0y now -5 becomes +5 equal to 0. It is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form of linear equation in two variable. So here only one variable is given. So we have taken another variable along with the coefficient 0. Now second one is given y equal to 2. Here only one variable y is there. Now we will take x as another variable. So we can write this equation like this: 0x plus y. Y plus 2 becomes -2 equal to 0. So it is the representation of the given equation in two variable form. It is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here there is no need to write the values of a, b and c. अगर आपको पूछता है तो आपको a, b, c का वैल्यू लिखना है नहीं तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं लिखना. Similarly you can solve the third and fourth one also. Number 3. Given equation is 2x equal to 3. So we can write this equation like this: 2x. Here there is no another variable y. So we will take y along with coefficient 0. 2x plus 0y minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore it is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Next, after the examples, now we will solve the first exercise, exercise 4.1. All of you can see in your reader on page number 68. Exercise 4.1. Question number 1 is there. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables. Write a linear equation in two variables. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. To represent this statement. Solution. Here the cost of two different values are given. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. यहाँ पर एक नोटबुक का कॉस्ट और एक पेन का कॉस्ट है, इसी एक को हम x लेंगे और एक को जो है ना y लेंगे, हम इसको भी क्या भी ले सकते हैं. Let the cost of a notebook be equal to rupees x. Second one, let the cost of a pen be equal to rupees y. Two different linear variables हमको यहाँ पर लेना है, इसलिए हमने एक को x लिया है, दूसरे को y. Now given condition is given that what is the given condition? The cost of a notebook. So the cost of notebook is x. The cost of notebook, given that cost of notebook is equal to twice the cost of a pen. Twice means two times. The cost of a notebook is twice of cost of a pen. So the cost of notebook is x equal to twice of cost of a pen is y. Now we will write in linear equation in two variables like this. Now x plus 2y becomes minus 2y plus 0. Here there is no constant term, so we will take 0 as a constant term. It is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Whenever there is a linear equation in two variables, we have to write always in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If no variable is there, then we have to take that variable along with 0. If no constant value is there, then we have to take 0 as a constant. Next, second question. Express the following linear equation in the form of x plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b, c in each case. This is the similar question as we have solved in example number 1. First, we have to convert the given linear equation in standard form ax plus by plus c, and after that we will write the values of a, b and c. Number 2. Question number 2 is express the following linear equation. Express the following linear equation express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of indicates the values of indicate the value of a, b, c in each case. Now we will see question number 1. First one is 2x plus 3y equal 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35 bar. Second one is x minus y by 5 minus 10. X minus y by 5 minus 10 equal to 0. Third one is minus 2x plus 3y minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Like this, other examples are also given. Now we will solve one by one. Now see here, first we will write the given equation. Given equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35. Now it can be written like this: 2x plus 3y. Now plus 9.5 will become minus 9.35 bar is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. जो भी इक्वेशन गिवन है इस फॉर्म में हमको कन्वर्ट करना है ax plus by plus c equal 0. Now value of a is 2, value of b is 3, and value of c is minus 9.35 bar. Second one is also like this. Given equation is x minus 5 by y minus 10 equal to 0. Now we will write this equation. It is already in the standard form. If we want to write, we can write like this also: x plus minus 5 by y. See here, there is a one mistake in question. Y is on numerator, y by 5. It is y by 5. So we can write this equation like this: x plus minus 1 by 5 into y plus minus 10. इस टाइप से भी आप लिख सकते हैं या डायरेक्टली आप इस टाइप से नहीं लिखते, यहाँ पर ऐसा भी लिख दे तो चल जाएगा: x minus 1 by 5 into 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So here the value of a is 1 and value of b is minus 1 by 5 and value of c is minus 10. Similarly, you can solve third one question also. Just to carry this plus 6 to this side, it becomes minus 6, and after that, get the values of a, b and c. Next, fourth one. No problem. Question number 4 is x equal 3y. X equal 3y. Number 5 is 2x equal minus 5y. And number 6 is 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 equals 0. And number 7 is y minus 2 equals 0. And last one is number 8 is 5 equal 2x. 5 equal 2x. Now, solution for fourth one. Given equation is x equal to 3y. We can write this equation like this: x plus 3y becomes minus 3y, and there is no constant term. If no constant term is there, means we will take 0 as a constant term. So take 0. Therefore, it is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Therefore, value of a is 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is 0. Next one, number 5. Question number 5, given equation is 2x equal to minus 5y. Here also there is no constant term. So we will write like this: 2x minus 5 become plus 5y plus 0 equal to 0. So it is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Therefore, value of a is 2, value of b is 5, and value of c is 0. Next one. In question number 6, here only one variable is given, so we will take another variable along with 0 as a coefficient. Next, number 6. Given equation is 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Here only one variable is given, so we will take another variable y with 0, and then plus 2 is as it is. Now it is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. It is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So the value of a is 3, and in place of b 0 is there, and value of c is 2. Similarly, question number 7 also only one variable is given. Here only one variable is x, and we take another variable y along with 0. Here only one variable y is given, so you take another variable x along with 0. Number 7. Given equation is y minus 2 equal to 0. So we will take x with 0. 0x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. It is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Therefore, in place of a 0 is there, so the value of a is 0, and value of b 1. If there is no coefficient, means here 1 is always coefficient, and value of c is minus 2. Last one is given equation is phi equal to 2x. Here also only one variable is given, so we will take another variable y with 0. First we will write this equation like this: 0 equal to 2x plus 0y, and plus 5 becomes minus 5. Or we can write this equation like this: 2x plus 0y minus 5 equal to 0. It is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Therefore, value of a is 2, value of b is 0, and value of c is minus 5. These are the solutions for the second main problem. So our first exercise is completed today. Now in our next class we will start the new topic in this same chapter, solution of a linear equation. How we will solve the given linear equation. Remember, in the beginning I told you a linear equation has only one solution if it has only one variable. But if a linear equation has two variables, then we have infinitely many solutions. We have infinitely many solutions whenever a linear equation has two variables. So we will continue in our next class. Today we will stop our class here. If you are having any doubt, please you can write in our comment box, and We will discuss those doubts in our next class. After that, we will continue. Thank you, one and all.